like it, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also leave your comments in the description box, okay? Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, all right? We're just gonna keep it very simple today, all right? This is a requested video from one of my audience, and I decide to share them on the healthy side, all right? Yeah, so basically, you know that we all know that ginger and cloves and garlic is very powerful remedy, all right? A lot of people that might not know that, but it is a very powerful remedy, okay? All right, so I want to share a simple recipe tea with you guys today, all right? You can also drink this at home. You know what I mean? When you're at home and you sit back and relax, this is a recipe which you can also drink at home, all right? Yeah, please subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend, all right? And that's where we are at the moment. Happy Sunday to every one of you guys. Today is Sunday. Today is not Monday. Today is a beautiful day where everyone is at home, probably chilling. Some people just wake up right now, you know. Yeah, some people just wake up. Some people, there's a lot of things that are going on right now at the moment all over the world. But at the moment, we are here, can share a beautiful recipe with you guys. So that's what Chef Ricardo going to be doing. The video not going to be too long. It's going to be a super nice, quickly video from Chef Ricardo today. So what we're going to do, I'm going to get my large cup, all right? And I'm going to fill it with some water. Just like this. Esther Delicious, good morning. All right, I'm going to put that straight into it like this. All right, now I have some garlic, all right? And I'm going to get some fresh garlic to share with you guys, all right? What you guys can also do at home. Drink this before you go to your bed. Give him before you go to bed. Or you can drink it before you go to your bed, and you will see the result of this beautiful cup of tea today from Chef Ricardo. All right? Yeah. Why not do something different at home? Every time you keep doing the same thing. All right? You don't need to do that anymore. Yeah. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab the cloves. All right, I'm going to put a large portion of cloves inside of it. You don't have to use the amount where I'm using, but me personally, you know, Chef Ricardo always are using a lot of cloves. All right, so you don't have to use so many. You can just use a few if you like to. And if you like to, not only that, you can also put a 1 or a 2 bay leaf inside of the water also. All right, yeah. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get some garlic. All right, yeah, we're gonna get some beautiful garlic, and we're gonna crush some garlic and put it also inside of it. So that's 1 clove of garlic. All right, and this is gonna make 2 cloves of garlic. All right, 3 cloves of garlic inside of it. All right, 3 cloves of garlic will be really good for it. You don't have to put too much inside of it. All right, and that looking good, isn't it? Yeah, that looking beautiful. Yeah, so this is a few tips and ideas which I'm Chef Ricardo share with you guys on the day. Yeah? All right, today is Sunday, but a lot of people just wake up. All right, then we're gonna get a nice, lovely, fresh piece of ginger. All right. Here it is. We're going to grate a nice, lovely piece of a ginger. All right. Yeah, like this. Yeah, this is a nice, lovely piece of a ginger. Now, don't ask me the benefit. If you want to know the benefit, please go to Google and do the research on it. I will put the information in the description box. and the benefit of the cloves, because the cloves and the garlic is the most important one right here. So you can put either the benefit of the cloves or the garlic, one of them, all right, or the ginger. All right, here it is. So we just got a few ingredients to the pot, and you can do this at home. So we want to make this boil, and trust me, if you ever make this at home, guys, honestly, you will see the difference. You don't have to be 80 to drink this. It doesn't matter your age, you can drink it. All right, any one of you can drink it. Yeah, this is just a powerful home remedy, which is also very good for the immune system, fight against also inflammation in your body. You know what I mean? It's just something which I would encourage you to try and make at home. All right, and if you like the ingredients, it is all very simple and very unique and straightforward to make at home. All right, guys, so if you like the recipe, what you need to do is to share the video. It's simple, guys, very simple one. All right, share the video to a friend, and a friend tell a friend, and that's where we are at the moment in the kitchen. All right, yeah. So look at this beautiful home remedy, guys. Something different what you want to try at home. All right, please share the video. All right, because it's something different which I'm sharing with you guys today. Would love for you guys to try something different at home. So it's cloves, garlic, ginger, bay leaf. Mix all ingredients together and drink this before you go to your bed at night, or give him to drink before you go to bed at night. All right, powerful home remedy, guys, right here in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking. Now, if you don't got all of these ingredients, use what you have. Okay, you don't have to stress yourself. Now, the beautiful thing I want to simply say to you is not oxtail we are cooking. We are just making a lovely cup of tea. So what we're going to do, turn off the cooker. All right, and you don't have to do it the way I'm doing it. You can just get a cup and just make the tea right there with a few ingredients by simply boiling your kettle. Yeah, look at that. Oh my gosh, take a good look, guys. Happy Sunday to every one of you guys who are taking the time and supporting Chef Ricardo Cooking. All right, remember, today is Sunday. Today is not Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday. Today is Sunday, so it's weekend. And you know what I mean, when you touch weekend, you want to do certain kind of things. All right, LA, thank you so much for coming on the show. All right, beautiful, simple, and also delicious to make at home. Please share the video. All right, that is a lovely one. Look at that, beautiful one, guys. Simple but also delicious. Yeah, so what you want to do, you want to make it settle for a few minutes. All right, and once it's settled, we're gonna strain it off into the cup, and honestly, you will see exactly how it look inside of the cup. So I'll get my large cup right over here. Beautiful one. Yeah, that is fantastic, guys. I love it. So that's my cup right there. Okay, let's switch over the camera a little bit, and that's what I'm talking about. That looking so amazing. Get that strainer and strain it off like this. Wow. Wow. This is what I'm talking about. All right. Now you can just get the garlic, put it back into the liquid, squeeze out it like this, guys. Don't be shy. All right. Also, put the bay leaf back into the water like this. Bay leaf is good for you. All right, guys. I got a little bit more cloves and one more garlic. Just put it straight inside of it. If you like, you can put some honey if you want. All right, but you don't need to put any honey. You know what I mean? You can just drink it naturally like this. All right, just drink it naturally, 100%, as you can see it for yourself. That's what Chef Ricardo been talking about right there, guys. That is exactly Now, drink this 2 times a week or 3 times a week. It's up to you. You can drink it every single morning if you like to. But yeah, and you will see exactly what I am talking about right there. All right. Yeah. Please tell a friend. Free, thank you so much for coming on the show. We appreciate the love. All right. The information will be in the description box where you guys can go and watch the full episode of the video. All right. Big up every one of you guys who are taking the time and watching this. This is just fantastic and an amazing right here. All right. And I will be seeing you guys with some more